clam that we found in our yard. My father had to get landfill for our yard, and a bunch of rocks and sand came from one of these mountains. It's inside the mountains, which is something like that area, which has the same dirt. This is the town of Moca, Puerto Rico. This is very right there. It's pretty close by. It was found within the mountains, like I just showed. Inside the mountain. I found multiple sea life and coral reefs, other possible ocean life things. They were found in the same mountain where they cut up different types of seashells and clams. This is the coral reef. It was found inside the mountain. This is some kind of a plant life. It's all fossilized, meaning it's possibly replaced by other minerals. Whatever formerly was is replaced by the dirt after being rained on, etc. for many years. You see that this is also a form of sea life, which is this. It's fossilized. That means it's hard. It's like really hard. It's the same as the sea life that I found yesterday. This one I found yesterday while I was at the beach. It has a different color. This one is like fresh, and this is a fossil. It was found in the mountains. I've been a Christian since 1989. I got saved in 1991 in Pastor Lawrence Pettis Church, Sunset Park Community Church. Found those rocks when my father had dumped the truck, and it proves that this in Genesis chapter 7:7, which talks about the flood, proves that even this island was underwater at one time. This stuff was inside the mountain. This whole island was covered. This is above sea level, and it's away from, if you type Moca, Puerto Rico, it's above sea level. And stuff was found in those mountains. They're not very large mountains. They're mountains. Even that thing is kind of large. It's a very steep mountain type of thing. They're small mountains. Yeah. They made me turn to the left. I gotta cut this thing before.